100 verb per minute dictation starts in 3 seconds. In the past, people understand the value of water and plan their lives around it. Moreover, many civilizations bloom and lost on account of water. But, today we have knowledge but we still fail to understand the value of water. Para change. Water scarcity is a cause of mismanagement and excess population growth of the water resources. Also, it is a man-made issue that continues to rise. Besides, some of the reasons for water scarcity are: the environment gives us countless benefits that we cannot repay our entire life. As they are connected with the forest, trees, animals, water, and air. The forest and trees filter the air and absorb harmful gases. Plants purify water, reduce the chances of flood, maintain natural balance, and many others. Para change. Moreover, the environment keeps a close check on the environment and its functioning, it regulates the vital systems that are essential for the ecosystem. Besides, it maintains the culture and quality of life on earth. Para change. The environment regulates various natural cycles that happen daily. These cycles help in maintaining the natural balance between living things and the environment. Disturbance of these things are ultimately affect the life cycle of humans and other living beings. Para change. Education plays an important role in the development of an individual and making him a knowledgeable citizen. It is the education that makes an individual self-reliant, helps to suppress the social evils and contribute towards the development of the society and nation as a whole. Education helps in unraveling the mystery of nature. It enables us to understand and improve the working of our society. It creates conditions for a better life. Education brings out the capabilities to fight injustice happening in society. Every individual has the right to education. Para change. Education is a significant tool that provides knowledge, skill, technique, information, and enables people to know their rights and duties towards their family, society, and the nation. You can expand your vision and outlook to see the world around us. It changes our perception of life. Education builds up the ability to explore new things to enhance your creativity. Your creativity is a tool to develop the nation. Para change. The 21st century is known as the age of information technology. IT has evolved tremendously in recent decades and had revolutionized the way humans connect with work. Everything from computers and the internet to e-commerce and cell phones are the results of information technology. Advancement is technology and better information system provide lots of possibilities in communication and connectivity. Stop. After the invention of the computer and the internet, comma, the world has changed a lot. Stop. Just a press of a button or a swipe can get you many things that you want. Stop. You can talk to those living miles away or see people in different countries through video conferencing. Stop. You can even buy groceries and food from websites, comma, just by sitting at home. Stop. Sharing knowledge and gathering of information has become much easier, comma, faster, comma, cheaper, comma, and enjoyable. Stop. All these are the greatest advantage of IT, and it had made the world a better place to live in. Stop. Para change. The term information technology is given to all advancements of technology in the world. Stop. Modern progress in technology, comma, learning, comma, and information has led to immense possibilities. Stop. Lots of technological devices such as computers, comma, the internet, comma, websites, comma, e-commerce, comma, email, comma, cell phones, comma, credit cards, comma, and ATM machines are part of information technology. Advancements. Stop. All these have made it possible for people to gather information and use it for their needs. Stop. Para change. He definition in S3 is very bold, and hence in R.V. Gomes 1992 House of Lords held that it included situation where other persons had consented to the appropriation if the consent was obtained by deception. Stop. Hence, here it is important to note any assumptions of the rights of an owner has taken place, then it is appropriation. Stop. Further, in the case of the House of Lords, stated that there could be theft even where there was no deception and appropriation has been consented to. Stop. It was held that it was a neutral term, and the important point is whether the defendant is being dishonest. Stop. Para change. It is enough for the prosecution if they proved the assumptions of any of the rights of the owner of the goods in question. Stop. Therefore, comma, there does not have to be an assumption of the rights, comma, or quite often only one right will have been assumed. Stop. The other thing to show is if appropriation can take place when the item has been given to them by the owner. Stop. There is no clarification in the Theft Act 1968 that appropriation has to be without the consent of the owner. Stop. This issue was raised in the case of Gomez 1993. Stop. The case reached to the House of Lords where clarification was made on the following points. Appropriation has taken place when theft is alleged and that which is alleged to be stolen passes to the owner, comma, but that has been obtained by false representation. Stop. They also ruled that there was no need of adverse interference with or some right of owner. Stop. Para change. The Indian Army originated from armies of the East India Companies, which at last became the British Indian Army and the Princely States Army, which after the independence in 1947, merged into the National Army of India. Stop. The units of the Indian Army have fought many battles in the past where they gained honor for the country with their bravery. Stop. One will find out more facts about the Indian Army through this essay on Indian Army in English. Stop. Dictation finish.